This year, I'm thinking about a little different approach on doing my YouTube videos in the upcoming series, which I like to call The Perfect Bite. And these will be parts 1, 2, 3, and so forth if you guys will like this type of video format. Basically, it's like 3 to 5 minutes in length. At least I'm going to try that. And some people just like those bullet points, and these will be about my tips and sharing the findings that I'm doing when I'm eating low calorie density foods. Also talking about fasting as well, because as you guys are aware, I've been doing OMAD and extended fasting for over 3 years now. And so I love talking about it all the time, although there's a big component to all of this to gaining optimum health. I know that we all want to lose weight and naturally lose it in a healthy manner. And in this past year, we've been struggling. I'm sure you guys would agree. We've been struggling with weight gain during these stressful months. It doesn't mean that we can't be healthy so that we can lose the weight and have stability once we get to that goal. This will be in addition to my longer videos that kind of cover like what I eat in a day to lose weight, or recipes that I'm sharing with you, because I'm always gaining new insights on how I can make different types of dishes with low calorie density foods. Now, the Perfect Bite video series won't be every week, but sometimes there will be, just depending on my work schedule, because I do work and I'm a caregiver for my mom. So I have a couple of full-time jobs, but I certainly want to give you short videos that are connecting with what you're looking for, and maybe it's just answering a question from you. And so that's why it's so important to leave comments below, and I will address them in these videos. So whether it's intermittent fasting or OMAD or extended fasting that you're doing, we are going to cover those subject matters, but it also coincides with our food choices. And that's very important because we are eating more than we actually are fasting throughout the year. It really makes a lot of sense to take the time to find out all about food, from the background of it, the science of it, as well as what is natural and what is God-given, that we can make sure that we are not continuing to gain health issues and ailments that we do encounter on a regular with the environment and with our family history. So these are reasons why, as we get older, that it's so much more important to eat the right food so we can be naturally healthy and lose the weight. I don't know if I addressed why I'm doing this, but my number one reason is for health. And I have very high cholesterol. My cholesterol has gone up in the past year into an alarming levels that I've never seen before in my blood work. And I have to take that seriously. And even though I've been fasting, the cholesterol is still extremely high. And so I want to take the time to take care of myself in that manner. And that's why I've been on this journey, or this search for the perfect bite, if you will, so that I can maintain my health and take care of my mom, who is in need of assistance. So the other reason to that is both of my parents had strokes 6 months apart of each other, and it was in their 50s. And here I am in my 50s now. And so it's very concerning to me if I am not doing all the things that I can within a natural way that will bring me to a level that I have longevity. And that's most important. I think you guys would agree. Also, weight loss stability is very important on the list. And I want to share with you guys because you guys motivate me to continue doing these videos, and I think it might be helpful to you. So if you can get one tip that's good that you can run with, then you know what? I did my job. And that's most important, is giving you what you're looking for. One thing I can say about OMAD, you have one shot to make it count. And that means your one meal a day, you know, it has to be so high quality and the best of food that you can possibly eat, because it will affect whatever's happening to you in the days to come. So let's get the perfect bite and balance together. Guys, please leave a comment or questions if you have that, and I will address them in the upcoming video series that are 3 to 5 minutes is what I'm shooting for. Crossing my fingers, but I'm going to do my best to keep it short because I know your time is valuable, and at the same time you should get good information that you're looking for. Don't forget that caregiving begins with you. Bye.